Butoh is about life resonance in general. Do you remember back in childhood, perhaps there was one object, one thing that you were drawn to? So for me, I remember this moment of perhaps in the classroom, a colorful pamphlet that was given out. And objects such as these, I got lost in a world of detail and qualia. I got lost in the color of the pamphlet, the texture, the smell, perhaps even the taste, or at least I wanted to taste it. It came with a world of its own. And many things did this to me. I got lost in them, and it probably also got me in trouble. But I feel as adults, we don't have time to just to be present in mundane, everyday things that may appear mundane and everyday, but actually that is the external image. Because if you look into anything, it is always different. It is always different. Nothing is the same. You cannot touch the same river twice, correct? So actually everything is exploding with flavor if you just stop and get lost in whatever it is. So in the Butoh practice, we are often doing this. We are resonating, we are getting lost in things, much like we got lost when we were children. So here, if I were to dance Butoh here, this is full of stimulus, the wind, the temperature, the colors, the smell of the wood, the pine, the stickiness of the floor. All these things manipulate the body to move and act in a certain way. And it doesn't have to be in nature, it can be anywhere. You can resonate and dance anywhere. If it makes you ask, oh, what am I doing? Well, that just means you're not in the zone yet. You just have to stop. You have to stop and then get lost. Stop and then get lost in the moment and then let the body enter. For me, this is basis of my Butoh practice. Empty the body, allow for something to come in, then create with that. Or something else is having you create. Remember the idea of being moved? So for me, very simply, it is like this. It is like this. And you can use anything.